We are pleased to show you the 2017 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.